If you want to learn how you can add border to a text in Google document, then I'll show you in this tutorial. So on the Google Documents file, my productive morning routine. I want to add border to the first sentence here, which says my productive morning routine. So for you to add border, the first thing you need to do is to highlight what you want to add border on. In my case, I'm just going to highlight the first expression like this. Then once you do that, come to format, right? Click on format, then navigate to paragraph styles. So once you navigate and hover on paragraph styles, you'll see borders and shading. Then click on borders and shading. Then the position is where you want the border to be. If you want the border to be at the top, this is what you would click. Want it to be at the bottom, this is what you would click. Want it to be by the left, want it to be by the right, right? And you can also see the border width, the border dash, the border color, etc. So I'm just going to give the border, I'll apply the border to the top. I'll click top border, and the border color is 0, right? And the border dash is solid, right? So you can give it something like dotted, but let's change it back to solid so that you can see what's happened. Then the background color, right? We don't want to give it any background color. If you want, you can give it a background color, but let's leave it as transparent. And the padding paragraph, the paragraph padding rather. The paragraph padding is basically the distance in between the text and the border, right? I'm just going to click on apply. As you can see, we've given this text a border at the top. Let's say we want to add the border to the bottom as well. So what we do is we select it again, we go to format, then we come to format, we come to paragraph styles, then we come to borders and shading, then we click on it, then it loads this model, right? Then we click on bottom as well, we click on the bottom border, and we click apply. And it has given it, another border at the bottom. Let's say we want to add another border to the left and to the right of this statement. Then we highlight it again, right? We go to format, click on format, we come to paragraph styles, and we come to borders and shading, and we just basically just click it like this, left and right, and click on apply. And that's it. We've successfully given this text a border, right? We've given it the left border, the top border, the right border, and the bottom border. Let's say we want to increase the spacing inside this text and its border, right? And we want to change the color of the border. The color of the border is currently black, but we want to change it to another color, and we want to give it padding. We want to make it look nice. We want to increase the width, the thickness of the border as well. You highlight the whole expression, come to format, click on format, then come to paragraph styles, and go to borders and shading, click on borders and shading, and border width, we can change it to, let's say, 3 pt, and we can change the color to, let's say, red, right? And the padding, let's change the padding to something like 5. Then we can click on apply. This is what we have. It looks nicer now. So this is basically how you can add, border to a text in Google document. If you find this tutorial helpful, ensure you subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next episode. Thank you.